Welcome to 630 Cabrillo Street. This is the rear bedroom that looks out onto the backyard. Lots of storage. As you can see, it's furnished and nicely appointed. Here's the bed. It looks out onto the shared backyard. Closet that goes back there. And here is the shared kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, very, very nice and large sink. This door leads out to the shared backyard. Here is the living room. The entranceway. And let's go to the bathroom. New vanity. And here is the front room. It's also for rent. So thank you. So that's 630 Cabrillo or Cabrillo. And thank you very, very much for your time. Please let us know if you have any questions at all. And we will talk very soon. Here's a desk, by the way.